Okay. So good afternoon all, and very warm welcome to all of you on behalf of Samartha Group of Institution. So today we are gathered for online meeting for AWS Cloud program. So basically everyone know the cloud important, and we are planning for this certification program which is sponsored by Capgemini, AWS, Amazon Web Services. In this webinar, we are discussing regarding the various APIs and how to handle the cloud, how to application, what are the applications of cloud. So that all things we will cover in this webinar. Basically, this webinar is scheduled for future of AWS Cloud certification. After completion of this course and certification program, you will get the various different placement opportunity. So for today's webinar, AWS Cloud webinar, I heartily welcome Ms. Sonali ma'am on behalf of Samartha Group of Institution and our principal, Dr. A.J. Patil sir. I request to Patil sir, please share some words.
Hello, good noon to everybody, especially on behalf of our Samartha Group of Institutions. I am very much thankful to Sonali Pulsandar madam for giving her constant support in every aspect, not only in the placement, but giving arrange all such webinars of latest technology. On behalf of our institute and our management, I thanks to her again. And as sir told here that HOD of Computer Department of Morada sir, we are arranging this webinar or this certification course arranged by the, it will take by the Cognizant Capgemini. So AWS Cloud Computing. So as you know nowadays how important of this latest technology, just this cloud technology, as everyone is not only during this COVID situation, but after this, once these inventions, all this upgradation in technologies happen, particularly in terms of computer, every data, every type of data we are storing, and that stored is now on a cloud, and to arrange that data, to give classification of data, means so many techniques to do all these things, and so many certification courses and so many things are available there. So once you do it, so this is a very emerging sites or very emerging technologies. So every computer engineer or every engineer must know about how the cloud is working, what are its application, how its specifications, everything is there. So as I said here, every institution throughout the world is downloading or dumping their data on the cloud. So how difficult it being that I am not going in deep that. So within a 1 minute, how many emails, how many PPT, how many YouTubes, or how many text messages are being sent by such a 6 billion population. So you may means that data may be in trillions or in terabytes, and that is more than our imagination. To do all these things, cloud technology or cloud knowledge of this is very important. So I appeal to every students of our institute to thoroughly go through the program, which will be carried out for number of hours year after, and take a best advantage of it, because it's a good opportunity to you to have such a nice things there. It is not only upgrade your knowledge, but it will be really helpful you to get a good job with a good resources. So again, I thanks to everybody, especially Borade sir, and have the best wishes for your future endeavors. Thank you, madam.
So thank you once again for guiding us, respected Patil sir. And now, without wasting a time, I request to Sonali ma'am, please start our session. What are the processing features and which are the criteria for these courses? Please explain our students. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So first of all, thank you to Samartha Education Institute to give us the opportunity to explain this with the students. So first of all, I'll introduce myself. I'm from the Edubridge India Private Limited. My name is Sonali Fulsundar. I'm having the 12 plus experience in this education industry. And I'm like working with the education industry to build the professionals for their future growth, for their future career. And currently I'm working with Edubridge as a senior manager for the Mumbai. So where I'm handling the different projects for the CSR. So today's agenda is we are here to gathered here to discuss about your placements, your career opportunities. So first of all, we will understand about my company Edubridge, then the IT growth in the current industry. And third point is about the AWS, which we are going to provide you the training for this application and how to register with this program, and then question and answer. If you have any question and answer, then we will discuss on that part. So Edubridge, so we are basically creating the professionals. We are providing the professional development training. We are having the, basically we are the bridge between the employment and the company, employer and the company. So that is, our name is Edubridge. Because as we found, there are so many things, like whenever we start with the placement and after the graduation, the students required to upskill their skills, and that is lacking. And that approach we got from the corporate companies, and we started to developing these things with the students at their time of education. So Edubridge, basically we are here to develop you for your professional career, for your future career and your placement part. So definitely we are here to give you the good placement in your upcoming few months. I think here everyone is right now like in the almost completed your 7th SEM or 6th SEM, and if you are from the mechanical who are completed their graduation also from 2021. So here we will understand how to get engaged with this career course and how to get a placement. And if you engage with us, Edubridge, there is no need to worry for you, because we are going to develop you with the any, like this is a basically the professional development. So not only the technical part we are going to teach you, we are going to provide you your the communication, each and every part to get a good job opportunities. So basically, as mentioned by the sir, it's a Capgemini program. Yes, student. I'm from the Edubridge, but this program is from the Capgemini. So the Capgemini, I think everybody knows about the Capgemini. Capgemini is a multinational company. Their awareness in India and other than India, so all over the country, they are providing the IT resources, IT services. They are having the multiple projects all over the India, and their turnover is in a huge amount. So as per our company Indian norms, each and every company, they have to invest their certain amount of profit into the social activity. It's called the CSR. So this project is initiated for this CSR only for the Capgemini, and the Edubridge is going to implement this project. So it means whatever the related with the training costs and everything is going to scholarship from the funded from the Capgemini. So their engagement, Capgemini engagement will be there at the time of training. And as mentioned, there is a good opportunity, placement opportunity with the Capgemini also. So we will understand how you will get this opportunity. First of all, about my Edubridge. We are into the from last 15 years, and the company started with the Girish Singhania. I am alumni, and he only started this company. More than 150 students till now we trained, and almost 1 lakh students got placed through the Edubridge, and we are having the very nominal charges for the course fee because we are having the CSR projects, and our training options is very much modified and different from the other organization because it's totally the Girish Singhania is totally working on these technical parts, and he wants the student will work on the actual projects and the actual project parts. We have got so many awards from the NSDC, Capgemini, Accenture, JP Morgan. So we have received the partners awards also. And our awareness is more than the 75 locations in India and other than India also. So why Edubridge? We are very much worried about and concerned about the student placements, and me and my team, whole team, Edubridge team, we are working for the student placement. So yes, student, this is a guaranteed placement for you. We are providing the personalized job portal that is will be useful for you in your future career also. So like not only related with the only time of the training and the one time of the placement, so that app personalized job will help you in your future career whenever, if you're looking after the 10 years, after your professional experience, 10 years, you're looking any job, definitely this app will help you to change your job and go in the next level of your career. We are having the so many tie-up recruiters, and it's 100% online, but online with the practical mode. So for that, our L&D team, they work very closely. They have developed so many things which to provide the online training, because this COVID learn us a lot to like how to work online, how to deal online software. So definitely we have to right now the training part, it is online, and but we are having the best softwares, best things to provide you the training online. We have, which is we are providing the student which required in the market actually, and accordingly we are doing, and accordingly our L&D team is doing the study, and that is totally based on the corporate what companies are required. So it's based on the projects only. We are in the soft skill and the communication trainers who will guide you, develop you for the mock interviews, for to resume buildings, for the interview preparations. These are our few partners where we have a tie-up. So more than 1,000 partners in India and other than India also we have for the placements also and the CSRs also. There are few names I can mention here: Tech Mahindra, then Accenture, Capgemini, WNS. So these are the major partners, Amazon, and we are dealing with the CSR projects also with them. So definitely they are providing the placement opportunity for our students. As I mentioned, we are providing the online training, and the online training also we are providing the good training, and it's a practical projects training. So for this practical projects, we are using the GitHub, and this is the best application where you can deal your practical projects. Our trainers are they will understand, they will teach you, and you will give us a good output from these projects. So once you engage with this training, you will understand what is a GitHub and how to deal with this GitHub for the actual live projects. As I mentioned, you will be getting a one job portal. So once initial of your stage only, you will log in with us. You will be having each and every access for your batches, for your soft skill notes, for your technical requirements, your practical projects. So once you finalize, you want to register with the Edubridge, you will be getting a one online application which you can use from your mobile, which you can use from your laptop, and you can access each and everything till you get a job and further your job opportunities for the training and each and everything. So as I mentioned, why IT and company require the technical knowledge. As we know, we started with the mainframe, basically initial stage of 1960. And right now IT companies like growing very fast. Yeah, like the expectations for the IT companies right now huge in the market. Developments are very huge. So accordingly, the industry, we also have to change. We also have to upskill our part. And not only the initial stage of getting the job opportunities, I'll suggest the students each and every, once you get a job also, then and then also you have to upgrade yourself, because for your professional skill development, for your professional skills, you have to upgrade yourself on a year on year according to the company, according to market requirement. These are the few slides where you can see the industry is growing very fast. Right now we are using the Android, and now we are on the 5G internet. So very fast we are moving. This is the basic components of the developments, like where IT companies working, IT companies platforms like Android, iOS. Then we are using the languages for the development, then database for the storage and frameworks. So these are the things where IT companies are working. So basically, here I'll come to the part for our cloud computing. Any student, do you have any idea about the cloud computing? I'm sure everybody is having the idea, but I want to listen from you. What is the cloud computing? Anybody can tell me what is the cloud computing? Come on, students, you are BSc, pass almost, you completed your 6th semester.
Cloud computing is a delivery of cloud computing services, including services, storage, database, network, software analytic, and intelligence.
Right. Anybody apart from this? Where we are using this cloud computing part? Are we using this cloud part? So students, the student, what's your name? Who answered me? Correct. The cloud computing, it's a storage part where we are storing our database virtually, basically. And these things we are using very closely, because everyone is right now using the Android mobile. We are having the Gmail, we are using the WhatsApp, we are using the Facebook, so many multiple blah blah applications we are using through our mobile laptops. And these everything we are doing the sign up for the particular like Gmail, and each and every application we are doing the sign up, and where we are keeping our database, right? So we are keeping our photographs on the Google Drive. So where these things are, we are storing. So this database is we are storing on the virtually. There is a one platform, and where there is a particular database company who are keeping our database very securely, and they are providing the networking part for this, for the security. And without any difficulty, we are accessing from anywhere through these applications, through our mobile, with the help of internet. So right, students, the cloud computing is right now very important part in our life. And the IT is without incomplete, like it's incomplete without this cloud computing. So cloud computing, there is Amazon Web Service. The Amazon, they are having their own cloud part. So here we will understand about the Amazon Web Service, and overall training is based on the Amazon Web Service only. As I mentioned, the cloud computing is an internet-based computing, and it reaches large groups of remote servers. Means we can use this anywhere, anything, like we can access remotely. Because this providing the very good flexibility to work, to access your data. We can secure that data with the help of internet. But behind backend of this, we have to work. And the same thing we are going to learn through this program. So Amazon, they are having the best part for this. The course name is AWS, and it's a restart program with the Edubridge. The Edubridge started this program with the help of Capgemini and the Amazon in Mumbai, Pune, and Chennai. Okay, so I'm from the Mumbai, basically. And in this AWS Cloud Fundamentals, we are going to provide the training for the Linux, Python, network security, relational database, means how to access the database, how to make a storage for this, and the networking part, security part. So each and every technical part, we are going to train you very advancedly and practically in this Amazon Web Service. It's almost 3 months duration program, and the daily you have to engage with 3 to 4 hours for this training, because it's a professional training, not only with the technical part we are going to provide you. So with this help of training, you will be getting the practical training from the industry experts in the cloud technologies. Our trainers are, they are professional, they are certified with the AWS, they are having the certification from the AWS, they are having the experience more than the 5 years in this industry. So they will going to mentor to you, as well as the Capgemini employees and other corporate companies. They will give the mentorship. They will interact you. They will guide you for your projects. So every Saturday we are having the mentorship program with the corporate companies. So student, initial stage of this is not only the any basic training course for you. This is a professional training and to start your career. So whatever you are doing after getting the job in the company, so that training we are going to provide you, because the project leaders, the project heads, they are going to come every Saturday. They are going to interact with you. They are going to give the guidance for the project. They will explain you. They will motivate you. Then they will share you the feedbacks for their current projects, how the industry is moving, how they are dealing with the current projects. So each and every is a good interactive section you will have with these corporate professionals. More than 300 of hours learning with the experts and hands-on projects. As I mentioned you, it's almost 300 plus hours, which includes the practical projects and the few theoretical projects. Because the theory part we already learn in our education part. Almost we 20 years spent in this our education, and now we are going to be graduate. So where we are lacking, what we require to get a good job. So that part we focusly going to learn in this professional training. Interview preparation, mock interviews, get a free access to resume builder. As I mentioned, with the technical knowledge, you'll be going to, we are going to provide the interview preparation, mock interviews. Mock interviews not with only with our trainers. So with the corporate companies also, and most probably this is a program for the Capgemini. So Capgemini people, mentors, they are going to take your mock interviews in the middle of the training. On that basis, they will guide you, they give you the feedback, and my team and my trainer team, they again start work on your feedbacks. So to complete, provide you the good outputs from you at the time of final interview. Personalized subjects, as I mentioned, feedback on your submission to facilitate the improvements. Course learnings, skills offers include Amazon Web Service, architectural principles and services, Linux, command lines, Python programming, database, everything is there. And these are the latest version. Also, like whatever app we are providing you, that login, so you can access after training also the upcoming years updations, requirements for this particular applications. Case studies and projects for the practical exposures. So at the end of the course, you will be going to make final project, and that you have to project, because your first round with the Capgemini, and if you go offline for a Capgemini interview, you have to clear 5 to 6 rounds. But if you engage with this training, you just have to clear the 2 rounds. One is the technical round, which you are going to make a project, and that they will ask you the questions on that technical part. And the second is the HR round, where you have to clear all the documents. So document part is very much important. So that I'll explain you for next. The job opportunity, cloud computing, as I mentioned, it's requirement for each and every company. Not only the corporate companies, MNC companies, even startup companies, small organizations, each and everyone require the cloud computing part, because right now, safely and securely, we are keeping our database virtually. We are, as principals have mentioned, we are saving the time, we are saving the money. So virtual database storage is the best option right now, and everyone, almost 100 out of 100, 99% people are using this part in the companies. So the requirement is huge. You will be getting initially cloud developer, software engineer, backend engineer, cloud software developer, these opportunities with these companies. And Capgemini in upcoming months, in the month of July, they are having the so many requirements, more than 200 plus requirement for the AWS and as well as Java. So Java, we are looking for only B. The Capgemini is looking for the B students. But obvious, because they are having the coding part, and this course is not required the coding part. So here we are looking the, as per the eligibility, BSc students, BTech students, BSIT, BCA, MCA, and B from the mechanical civil, because this course is not required the coding part. So mechanical and civil students, they can also enter with the IT companies, because so many students are hoping they are doing the studying in the mechanical and civil, and they want to start their career in the IT. So yes, students, you are having the option to enter with the mechanical in the IT company, and basically with the Capgemini also. So you have to clear these eligibility criteria before joining this course. So minimum 50% you have to throughout your 10th, 12th and the bachelor degree. So only those students will get a placement opportunity who have cleared their in their bachelor degree more than 50%, 50 either more than 50%, and 10th and 12th. Right now we are looking the pass out from the 2020-21. This is urgent requirement. But for the 2022 appearing students, you have to submit your 6th semester mark sheet, and you can enroll, and simultaneously you can prepare for this training, and then you can go ahead for the placement in the month of July. You have to complete successfully 3 months duration of the course training, and 90% attendance is compulsory for this course, because it's a practical training. Your each and every attendance is going to mark, it's going to observe. You have to log in through with our app only. So your attendance, your whatever time you are spending, each and everything record we are having, and that track is observed by the Capgemini and the AWS. This course is not, you will be getting the certificate from the Edubridge and the Capgemini. This is the AWS certified program, so you will be getting the certification. You no need to go for the further AWS certification once you engage with this program. And for the register for this course, you have to submit these documents, as well as you have to complete the one pre-screening pre-screening test with the marks of 70%. And there is only one attempt, and this test contains the communication, logical questions, and the objective questions. It is very normal questions it asks in the examination, so that you can easily cover up and complete this test. The test contains the 50 questions, and there is no negative marking. It's objective questions and more communication like questions. So industry recognized certificate, as I mentioned, you no need to certify like do the further AWS certification, because if you AWS, if you want to do with another any particular institute, you have to again apply for the AWS certification. But this is the combined and CSR activity, the Capgemini and the AWS. You no need to go for the any AWS certification for that. So this certificate is enough. Certificate you will get it. So here I want to mention few things to students. You all are right now very soon like going for the placement. You are like waiting for your placement. I think companies also started coming in your colleges. So for getting the placement, what you are thinking? Like, is it easy? You will be getting placed in the companies. What is the company's requirement? What they will be asking you in the at the time of interview? Anybody tell me? Okay, so what are the companies you are looking for your placement? Forget about our Capgemini and the Edubridge. If once you complete your graduation and how you will start your career, where you will apply, how you will get a placement. बेसिकली ये क्वेश्चन्स तो सबके मन में रहेगा, म्हणजे हे प्रश्न सगळ्यांच्या मनात आहेच. कसं स्टार्ट करणार तुम्ही तुमचं ग्रॅज्युएशन नंतर एक्झाम ज्यावेळी तुमची 7th सेम होईल किंवा 8th सेमिस्टर होईल कम्प्लीट, तुम्ही तुमचं प्लेसमेंट कसं स्टार्ट करणार? कोणी सांगू शकेल का कसं तुम्ही अप्लाय करणार? कोणालाच प्रश्न नाही पडलाय प्लेसमेंट कसं मिळेल आम्हाला? प्लेसमेंट घ्यायचे की नाही सगळ्यांना?
First upon I tried to internship, ma'am.
Internship with whom? इंटर्नशिप कसं स्टार्ट करणार? इंटर्नशिप कसं मिळेल तुम्हाला? कसं कळेल तुम्हाला मला कोणत्या कंपनीत जायला पाहिजे? कोणत्या कंपनीज आहेत ज्या बीएससीच्या बेसवरती, बीटेकच्या बेसवरती तुम्हाला अप्रोच करू शकतात? आय थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ इथे बीएससी स्टुडंट्स आहेत, राईट?
Yeah.
इंटरव्ह्यूच्या वेळी काय क्वेश्चन्स विचारले जाईल हे प्रश्न तुम्हाला पडले पाहिजे स्टुडंट्स. कारण ऑलमोस्ट आता फक्त 2 ते 3 महिने राहिलेत आणि यू हॅव टू स्टार्ट युअर प्लेसमेंट. कोणालाच काही सांगता येत नाहीये? आपण जॉब पोर्टल्सवर रजिस्टर करतो. जर का आपल्याकडे समजा कॉलेजमध्ये कॅम्पसेस येत आहेत पण त्याच्या अपार्ट आपण काय करायला सुरुवात करतो? वी स्टार्ट प्रिपेअरिंग द रेझ्युम्स, राईट?
Yes.
आपल्याला रेझ्युम स्ट्रॉंग बनवतो, राईट? वी स्टार्टेड अपलोडिंग रेझ्युम्स ऑन दी जॉब पोर्टल्स. नोकरी आहे, इंस्टाग्राम्स आहे, लिंक्डइन आहे, या अशा वेगवेगळ्या सोर्सेसवरती आपण आपला रेझ्युम अपलोड करायला सुरुवात करतो. आणि प्रत्येक स्टुडंट जो पास आउट होणार आहे प्रत्येक जण हे करत असतं. व्हाय वी आर डिफरंट? आपल्याला कंपनी का घेईल? ओनली आय हॅव डन द बीएससी, ओनली आय हॅव डन द बी? नो. तुमच्या रेझ्युम मध्ये विथ युअर एज्युकेशन कंपनीची रिक्वायरमेंट काय असते? कंपनीला स्टुडंट पाहिजे असतो, जो कॅन्डिडेट पाहिजे असतो, जो त्यांच्याकडे येऊन प्रोजेक्टवरती काम करेल, राईट? तुम्हाला प्रत्येकाला तुमच्या रेझ्युम मध्ये टेक्निकल स्किल्स ऍड करणं खूप इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. आता तुम्ही बीएससी आहात, तुम्हाला बेसिक कोडिंग झालेलं आहे, बेसिक लँग्वेज तुम्ही केलेले आहेत. बट इफ आय से यू टू गिव्ह यू द वन प्रोजेक्ट आणि मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं की डे 1 ला तुम्हाला ह्याच्यावरती काम करायचंय, यू हॅव टू स्टार्ट द वर्क आफ्टर 8 days. इज इट पॉसिबल स्टुडंट्स? प्रॅक्टिकली ते करणं मोस्ट प्रोबेबली विच इज इम्पॉसिबल. आणि काय होतं जनरली कंपनीज ह्याच गोष्टी बघतात आणि तिथे आपल्याकडे आपण त्या गोष्टी आपल्या रेझ्युम मध्ये ऍड नाही करत. आपण आपलं कॉलेजचं प्रोजेक्ट मेन्शन करतो, सगळं प्रोजेक्ट मेन्शन करतो, पण प्रॅक्टिकली एक्सप्लेन करतानाही तो आपल्याला कधी कधी येत नाही. हा जो प्रोग्राम आहे किंवा कुठलाही टेक्निकल कोर्स ह्याच्यासाठीच करायचा असतो. आपण जे आपले ऑलमोस्ट 20+ इयर्स आपण जे स्पेंड केलेत एज्युकेशन मध्ये, त्याच्याबरोबर एज्युकेशन स्किल सेट बरोबर देयर शुड बी अ टेक्निकल स्किल, की तुम्हाला ऍडिशनल टेक्निकल स्किल काय येते. MS Office, PowerPoint, this is not the requirement. That is a very basic. Okay. Apart from the C++, तुम्हाला काय येतंय? सो बीएससी स्टुडंट, बीई स्टुडंट्स कडनं एक्सपेक्टेशन्स फॉर द कंपनी हे असतात की तुम्ही तुमचं टेक्निकल स्किल ऍज पर द IT रिक्वायरमेंट आताच्या मार्केट प्रमाणे तुम्ही काय केलेलं आहे. आयदर ते .NET असू शकतं, जावा असू शकतं, त्याच्यानंतर क्लाउड कॉम्प्युटिंग असतं, डेटाबेसवरती काम करणार तुम्ही, फ्रंट एंड बॅक एंड वर करणार, क्लाउड कॉम्प्युटिंग वर करणार. ही इंडस्ट्री आहे. आयटीची रिक्वायरमेंट सध्या ही आहे. पायथॉन, डेटाबेस, लिनक्स, .NET. सो मग त्याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला स्वतःला सिलेक्ट करायचं आहे की माझ्या एज्युकेशनशी रिलेटेड मला कोणती टेक्निकल स्किल अपग्रेड केली तर आय कॅन इझिली एंटर इन द कॉर्पोरेट कंपनीज अँड आय एम हॅव्हिंग द स्कोप्स. हे तुम्हाला राईट टाइमला सिलेक्ट करणं गरजेचं आहे. जर का तुम्ही आतापासून डिसाईड कराल आणि आतापासून तुम्ही या गोष्टीवर कॉन्सन्ट्रेट कराल, सो डेफिनेटली यू विल नॉट लूज द मोर टाइम टू गेट अ गुड प्लेसमेंट. सो दॅट इज द रिझन तुमच्या कॉलेज बरोबर आपलं हे इंटरॅक्शन झालं आणि हा आजचा आपण वेबिनार शेड्यूल केलेला आहे, जेणेकरून तुम्हाला ह्या गोष्टीच कळाव्या की आपल्याला काय करायला पाहिजे. अँड यू विल स्टार्ट प्रिपेरिंग फॉर दिस अँड वन्स यू कम्प्लीट द ग्रॅज्युएशन यू विल गेट अ गुड प्लेसमेंट इन युअर हँड. So AWS, this is right now one of the toppest and best course in the market. Amazon Web Service, most of the companies right now using. त्याच्यावरती job opportunity you can search in the market. The market cost for this course is more than 80 to 90,000. For the certification, there is a apart different cost. Okay, same training, professional trainers, course content पण same आहे, काही different नाही because it's a certified program. आणि याची रिक्वायरमेंट बीएससी स्टुडंटला याच्यासाठी आहे कारण जनरली जावा ह्या गोष्टी पण तुम्ही करू शकता, पण ज्यावेळी कॉर्पोरेटमध्ये एमएनसी मध्ये एंटर करताना बी स्टुडंटला कोडिंग त्यांना जास्त स्ट्रॉंग असल्यामुळे त्यांनी 4 इयर्स स्पेंड केल्यामुळे तिकडे त्यांचं प्रिफरन्स जास्त असतं. त्यामुळे बीएससी स्टुडंट्सला जर का तुम्ही क्लाउड कॉम्प्युटिंग वरती करताय किंवा मेकॅनिकल सिव्हिल तर इथे कोडिंगचा पार्ट कमी असतो, इझिली मार्केटमध्ये रिक्वायरमेंट जास्त आहे, तुम्ही इझिली याच्यामध्ये जॉब ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज मिळू शकतात. आणि इफ यू एंगेज विथ दिस एडुब्रिज आमच्या बरोबर करताय आणि ह्या कॅपजेमिनी प्रोग्राम बरोबर करताय, यू पीपल नो नीड टू वरी फॉर द प्लेसमेंट. कारण हा पूर्ण प्रोग्राम जो आहे हा फक्त आणि फक्त तुमच्या प्लेसमेंट ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीसाठी आहे. सो वी आर लुकिंग दो स्टुडंट्स हु आर रिअली सिरियस अबाउट देअर करियर. Not only like I just registered and that is the reason I need a placement. No, you will not get a placement. You have to complete the training. You have to attend the training whole 3 months. Then we are here to help you. As I mentioned, we are the bridge between the students, employers, and the companies. So you have to take a benefit for this opportunity. The market cost is huge and you no need to pay this amount. If you clear the pre-screening, you have to just pay ₹2,000. And that 2,000 also refundable to the students once you complete the training. So it's a huge opportunity, huge benefit for you to engage with this course. Any questions, student? Any doubt? कोणाला काही डाऊट आहे का रिलेटेड टू ट्रेनिंग की कसं आहे किंवा काय अजून काही क्वेश्चन्स आहेत का जे नाही समजलेत? हिअर यू कॅन आस्क मी. मी एक लिंक शेअर केलेली आहे. हु आर इंटरेस्टेड यू कॅन रजिस्टर युअर नेम देअर. रजिस्टर करण्यासाठी तुम्ही तुमचं नाव मेन्शन केल्यानंतर यू विल रिसीव द 1 कॉल. देन यू हॅव टू सबमिट युअर ऑल डॉक्युमेंट्स. ऑल डॉक्युमेंट्स मीन्स युअर 10, 12 टिल डेट जेवढे मार्कशीट्स आहेत तुमचे तेवढे सगळे मार्कशीट व्यवस्थित तुम्हाला एका पीडीएफ मध्ये क्रॉप करून तुम्हाला ते सबमिट करायचे आहेत. तुमचं पॅन कार्ड इज रिक्वायर्ड आहे, तुमचं इन्कम प्रूफ रिक्वायर्ड आहे. मोर दॅन ज्यांचं 7 लाख वरती इन्कम असेल दो स्टुडंट्स आर नॉट एलिजिबल because this is for the marginal students and that is the reason they are getting this scholarship. डॉक्युमेंट सबमिशन झाल्यानंतर तुम्हाला जे आहे एक प्री स्क्रीनिंगची लिंक येणार आहे मेलवरती. ती लिंक तुम्हाला क्लिअर करायची आहे, एक्झाम क्लिअर करायची आहे. त्या एक्झामिनेशनसाठी काही सॅम्पल क्वेश्चन्स मी सरांसोबत शेअर करेन. So he will guide you for the preparation. Once you all ready, then we will announce the date for the pre-screening. Each and every training is virtual online, but for the practical training, you need a laptop desktop with you because without this training is impossible because it's a cloud computing practical part. So you have to be handy with your laptop and the desktop for the practical projects. Because examination part, we are conducting the 3 types of examination: baseline, midterm, and the online. one examination with the AWS also. So that is the reason you require the a very strong practical part you have to complete, and we need a individually per student should be have a laptop and the desktop. Any doubt, students? Any query? You have to ask me the question, then I can understand. Okay, how many are interested for this program? Raise your hands. Ekta, can you share that link, registration link, only link in the chat box?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can check the chat box where if you want to check the syllabus parts, just go to that link and visit to that AWS course. But I'll request all students, do not register on that link because we are having the college platform. So for you, there is another link for the registration. You just check the syllabus, course details over there if you want to know apart from this.
लिंक शेअर केली आहे.
So basically ही लिंक आहे जी तुम्हाला फर्दर रजिस्टर करायची, पण तुमच्यासाठी वेगळी असणार आहे कॉलेजची. इथे तुम्ही क्लाउड कॉम्प्युटर AWS क्लाउड प्रॅक्टिशनर वर जाऊन चेक करू शकता. फक्त तुम्हाला याच्यावरती साइन अप नाही करायचं आहे, कोणीही साइन अप करणार नाही. ओके, सगळ्या गोष्टी तुम्ही ते चेक करू शकता की कोर्स काय आहे, जे काही मी एक्सप्लेन केलं आहे याच्यामध्ये डिटेलमध्ये, प्लस तुम्हाला तुमचा पूर्ण सिलेबस वाईज दिलेला आहे की तुम्ही डे 1 ला काय शिकणार आहात, डे 2 ला काय आहे, अँड ईच अँड एव्हरीथिंग इज अपडेटेड अँड you'll be having a clear picture for your training part. So सगळ्या गोष्टी तुम्हाला इथे मेन्शन आहे, तर तुम्ही सिलेबस चेक करू शकता. काही डाऊट्स आहेत का कोणाला?
Students, please, if you have any doubts, ask ma'am. Yes, students.
आय थिंक कोणाला डाऊट नाहीये.
मैम मेरा होस्ट बना सकते.
Here I'm sharing my number, so if you have any doubt, you can call me. सो स्टुडंट्स काही डाऊट नसेल तर मग आपण हा सेशन मॅडम तुम्ही कंटिन्यू पुढे करू शकता.
मॅम
हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, इफ यू हॅव एनी क्वेश्चन्स, काही तुम्हाला प्रश्न असतील तर विचारा. मॅडमनी पूर्ण एक्सप्लेन केले तुम्हाला प्रोसेस. मॅम कन्क्लूड करूयात का आपण? सोनाली मॅम.
हो सर, हो. मी नंबर शेअर केलेला आहे सर, लिंक शेअर केलेली आहे आणि रजिस्ट्रेशनची लिंक पण शेअर केलेली आहे. तर ती लिंक तुम्ही ह्या ग्रुप बरोबर पण शेअर करू शकता आणि जावाच्या ग्रुप बरोबर पण शेअर करू शकता.
ओके ओके, चालेल चालेल मॅम. ओके, सो thank you all of you for joining today's webinar, and especially thanks to our engineering principal Dr. A.J. Patil sir, also administrative officer Gadekar sir, PCS college principal Dr. Golab sir, HOD Kale sir, and all staffs those are supporting to make a successful webinar and successful this certification program. Also, especially thanks to Sonali madam, because without Sonali madam, we cannot do and complete this program and entire session. So once again, thank you all for joining this today's session. And whatever instruction given by the madam, you have to follow and you have to do the sincerely to entire course. In between that, if anyone students is not completed that course, we will not allow him or her to placements. So think about that, because if your attendance is below 90, we will not give the permission to the placement, because Capgemini giving you placement for AWS program. Okay, so this is the good and best opportunity for our all students. So definitely you will get the placement also. So now last, all the best for your next process and pre-screening and your courses. So once again, thank you all of you, and we will stop here. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
ते झालं, कट झालं सर.